twice the life of standard incandescent bulbs. Best value. Original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance. Always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. Bulbs dim over time. Miniature bulbs by Philips. For over 100 years we have been continuously innovating automotive lighting. When installing a new bulb, never touch the glass. Either use gloves or paper towel when handling. Philips Longer Life replacement mini bulbs are for drivers who want the best value for their money. Thanks to their filament design and gas fill mixture, these Longer Life miniature bulbs last longer than standard incandescent miniature bulbs. Top reviews from the United States. Fits my 2012 Honda Accord rear turn signal. The connector is a Stanley brand. You may notice one way might not go in easily, so I just flipped it and went in easier. So far it works fine. I've always been happy with the new brand of Philips bulbs LEDs too.